Imagine a dish so unbelievably tasty, so simple to make, yet so incredibly satisfying that it becomes your new favorite comfort food, a culinary secret weapon everyone will beg you for. If you've ever dreamt of effortlessly whipping up something truly special that tastes like a gourmet delight without any fuss, get ready to discover the magic. You absolutely do not want to miss out on this absolute game changer. Our culinary adventure kicks off with the humble potato. Grab 5 of them, cover them generously with water, and add a sprinkle of salt. Bring these to a rolling boil and continue cooking until they are exquisitely tender, soft enough to be mashed or easily pierced with a fork. While your potatoes are simmering to perfection, prepare a simple yet essential egg mixture in a separate bowl. Just 2 eggs, seasoned with a dash of salt and a beautiful pinch of sweet paprika. Now let's build some foundational flavors. Heat a little vegetable oil in a pan and gently sauté finely chopped onions until they turn translucent and fragrant. Next, introduce sliced carrots and bell paprika, letting them soften and release their vibrant sweetness. Finally, press in 1 clove of garlic, allowing its intoxicating aroma to waft through your kitchen, creating an inviting preamble to the deliciousness ahead. To deepen the taste profile, stir in a fragrant blend of black pepper, aromatic Italian herbs, and another generous sprinkle of sweet paprika, ensuring every future bite will be a symphony of spices. Once your potatoes are tender, drain them thoroughly. Now, in a large bowl, combine your cooked potatoes with the vibrant, sautéed aromatic vegetables and fresh chopped parsley. To bind everything into a cohesive, perfectly moldable dough, add 5 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, along with a little flour, then mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, unified consistency that's ready for shaping. Take this magnificent mixture and divide it precisely into 2 equal portions. In preparation for frying, heat up a fresh batch of vegetable oil in your pan and have some crispy breadcrumbs ready on the side. Each delicious portion of dough should then be fully dipped into our seasoned egg mixture, ensuring a complete coating, followed by a generous roll in the breadcrumbs, guaranteeing an utterly delightful crunch. Carefully place these into the hot oil and fry them on both sides until they achieve a magnificent golden brown hue, signaling they are perfectly cooked and irresistible. Tell us, how are you feeling now? Are you hungry yet? You really should be. But wait, no masterpiece is complete without its perfect accompaniment. Prepare an effortlessly exquisite dipping sauce by combining 150 grams of luxurious fresh cream with 2 generous tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Add a single minced clove of garlic, a sprinkle of vibrant dill, and a final seasoning of salt. Stir everything together until it's beautifully blended, creating a cool, tangy, and refreshing contrast to our warm, crispy delight. You absolutely have to try this combination. It's beyond delicious and will quickly become your new favorite. If you've loved discovering this simple secret to culinary greatness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing more delicious recipes and kitchen inspirations that will tantalize your taste buds. Thank you so much for your comment, your like, and your subscription. Your support truly helps us keep sharing these amazing dishes. This truly is very tasty. Enjoy your meal. You've earned this incredible treat.